So this is how you can revert back to iOS 18 from 26 without needing a computer. Is it actually possible? Because I am right here in the discussions website for Apple. Also, this is the official one. So someone asked how to revert back to iOS 18 without a computer. I switched from 18 to 26 to try it, thinking it was easy to switch back, and it's very complicated. If anyone could help, that would be great. And then someone replied, or an admin replied, you must use a computer to downgrade. There is no way around that. I have to assume you're not a registered developer, and if you didn't back up your phone to a computer before installing the 26 beta, you've created quite the mess yourself. So, to keep it short and simple, no, you cannot downgrade back to an 18 if you upgraded to 26 if you do not have a computer. If you don't have a computer, you must find one to use. And if you don't have a computer, it means you didn't back up your phone to a computer before you installed the beta release. This means, with the exception of anything, you may sync to iCloud once you successfully return to iOS 18, and all of your data will be lost. So yeah, for those who have, upgraded to 26 without actually backing up their data in a computer, if you want to downgrade, then you have officially lost all of your data. Unfortunately, there is nothing you can do about it because you didn't back up your files in a computer. And even though, like for example, if you don't really care about your data, you still won't be able to downgrade to 18 because you have to have a computer. So unfortunately for this video, we don't have a clear answer, or we don't have a right one because you don't have a computer. And you can't really back down or revert back to 18 if you don't have one. So yeah, unfortunately that's all for this video, but thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.